Here's how to recalculate the average cost of products once your purchase order is received in Sellercloud. Go to the purchasing menu and click on Manage POs. Search for a given PO and go to that PO's details page. From there, go to the Actions menu and search for Recalculate Average Cost of Products. Then go to the Manage Catalog section. Find the SKU you are looking for and check the average cost details for that product. Here you can see the price that was on the PO, and the current average cost after the purchase order was received in Sellercloud.